Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai i40. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then I'll just go from somewhere else. So from any screen, if you click the settings button, the little picture of the cog there, click that, and then we go to Bluetooth, then search for Bluetooth devices. It's looking for a phone now. Search for a maximum of 8 Bluetooth devices, and it's found my phone there. Click on Barry's iPhone, and it's telling me enter 400000 pair. Do you want your contacts and favorites to sync? I don't, but you will. I won't be using the car again. And that's it connected.